Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 6, the junk seller. Already I sent the textbook PDF to you. Before we start any chapter, please read the chapter before you come to the class so that you will get an idea about the chapter. Junk seller is the true story of a lady Kiran who is from basically Patna. This is a true story, an inspiring story for all. And this inspiring story is kept as the syllabus for class 4 mathematics. What is this junk seller? The lady Kiran, she is from a poor family, father, mother, and Kiran. In Patna, she went to class and for Hindi medium. She studied in Hindi medium. She used to love science and Hindi, but mathematics is a nightmare to her. She hated mathematics in her school days, but later it was known to her that mathematics plays a major role in her business. After that, she started some business. There, she used mathematics. Then she realized that mathematics is very important. Mathematics, don't treat mathematics as a subject. Mathematics is an essential quality or essential thing in your life. Whatever field you take, mathematics will be there internally or indirectly. She studied in a government school with Hindi medium. Unfortunately, she lost her father in a road accident. Already they are very poor and she lost her father. Then her mother worked as a servant in the houses and they used to lead the life. After 8th class, there was no financial support to them since they are very poor. She was forced to stop the studies and her mother made her to marry a person. The Kiran want to study more. She want to do higher studies, but because of the poverty, she stopped. When she married to a person, when she went to the home, she saw they are very poor. Her husband's two brothers and sister, they are at home not going to the school because of their poverty. They were in a poor kacha house, mud house. Then she thought, how long we have to live like this? Let us do something to overcome this poverty. And she has not studied much. So she thought, let us do a small business. Let us do a small business. Her husband used to run a tea shop, where tea will be sold. She thought, let me also do some work so that it will help to lead my family. She thought what to do, a tailoring shop or something. For that, they need capital. And her uncle advised that in this area, instead of going for a tailoring shop or some other provisional store, better to start a junk seller shop. Junk seller shop. Okay, so Kiran and her mother-in-law both thought of starting a junk seller shop. What I'm explaining is the story of the chapter, the essence of the chapter. Overall, what we study in the chapter, let me explain, then we move to the problems. So listen carefully, it is a story, very inspiring story and a real story. So Kiran and her mother-in-law, they started a junk shop. They used to buy the junk and they used to sell the shop. You know what do you mean by junk? Junk means the things which are discarded, which are of no use at our home. Old newspapers we will not study. So old newspaper, old plastic items, old unused items. What we do, we sell this per kilo to a person who buy this, who is called junk seller, raddiwala. So we sell and they will process it and they will take some useful things of that and they will sell in the market. They will earn money from it. So they start a junk seller shop. All neighbors around me, they said, what you are doing is a dirty business. Buy the old things and sell. What is this? Say, ganda kaam hai, dirty business. But she never looked back. Dignity of labor, no work is less. कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता, काम काम होता है. So she started this junk seller shop, and slowly they started getting profits. Now they are living in a good pakka house. They have a fridge, electricity, TV, and her own daughter going to school. Her husband's brother and sister also started going to school. She has her own 9 rickshaws, which she give for rent. She is getting income from that. Her husband gets income from tea stall. She gets the income from the junk shop. Now they are living a very happy life. So this is the inspiring story of Kiran from Patna. So if you want to work hard, if you work hard, definitely success will be yours. If not today, tomorrow. So she has never given up. She worked hard for her family. Now they are living happily. So this true story is an inspiring story, a motivational story is kept as a lesson in our chapter. Among all the chapters of 4th class, this is a chapter, I can say this is a lengthy chapter. In this chapter, we'll deal with mainly multiplications. Multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. So we mainly deal with the multiplications. So I request all the students, be ready to multiply the numbers. For that, you should be ready with the tables. As I told you many number of times, every student of 4th class should learn the tables, table 1 to table 20. Up to 20, everyone should learn. Then only multiplications will be easy. If you have not learned till now, please start doing immediately. Learn tables. 17 8 jar, 17 9 jar, 19 8 jar. You must be able to tell like that. Okay. So this is the overall story of this junk seller chapter. Now let us move to the chapter. For that, I would like to share one PowerPoint presentation. Junk seller. Some pictures are there. You can see the pictures. Old unused tiles are there. The tiles, unused tiles which are not fit for our vehicles, 4-wheelers or 2-wheelers, we will discard them. These junk sellers will buy it and they will recycle it. Some examples of junk items: old cloths, iron things, plastic things. You might have seen practically some people are there who will pick some important things from the junk, from the dustbins. They pick the bottles, something, and see, you might have seen this type of pictures. Some people will buy old newspapers, old textbooks which are of no use for us, old vessels. See this. Plastic things, pipes, all this. See, nothing is useless in the world. Something which are not useful to you at your home, you will not keep with you. You will discard it. You will throw it away. But there is a need of that thing for someone somewhere. So these junk sellers will collect them and they will sell. What is the definition of junk? What do you mean by junk? Junk means things that are considered to be old or discarded articles, or of no use or no value, are of low quality. Any of these things can be called as junk, which are very old, discarded articles, no use for us, no value, low quality, all these.
Sir, this
Mute yourself.
writer, sir.
Yes?
This writer, sir.
Huh?
This writer, sir.
Sir,
I'm not getting what you want to say.
sir, she is asking we should write this.
I have told you many number of times. I will tell you when you have to write. Keep your mouth shut and listen. That's all.
Okay, sir.
I have told you many times. I will inform you when you have to write. What do you mean by junk seller? Junk seller is a person who buys and sells
I can't see the
discarded
screen.
things. Mute yourself. Some parents are talking in the background.
Oh.
Junk seller means a person who buys and sells discarded or second-hand items or objects. Kabaddi wali. Or though R is there, we call it as Kabaddi wali. She is the lady Kiran, whose story we are going to study in the chapter. This is her shop.
Okay, sir.
Now, as I said, this chapter needs mathematical concepts, especially multiplications and everything. Now, let us revise some previous concepts which are helpful to us. Now, you can start doing. Yeah. First question. You can write this.
Sir, in book or
In the classwork.
Classwork.
okay, sir. Let's go to the class.
Sir, answer is.
Answer is? Very good.
Well, sir.
Very good. 4 3 ja or 3 4 ja. Answer will be same. When you know 4 into 3, it's reverse 3 into 4. Also same. Answer is 12. This chapter needs multiplications. In the whole chapter, we do many multiplications. So you have to learn the tables, be ready.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
So, 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Then, okay, sir, I understand now.
Okay.
I understand.
Shall we go to second question?
Sir, please write, sir.
No,
Please
sir.
write, sir.
Question is there on the board. Question is there on the board.
Please write, sir. Only
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, very simple questions. These are very easy questions.
Yes,
These
sir, I
are
know.
very easy questions.
I know, sir. You can move second one, sir. Now. Sir, we should write which is more, sir.
Yes, you have to put the symbol. You have to put the symbol in the box. What symbol will come here? Greater than or less than or equal?
Minus.
Which symbol you will get here in this box?
Subtraction, sir.
What subtraction? There are 3 symbols only. Greater than, less than, equal. Out of these 3 symbols, which symbol will come? This is called greater than, less than, equal. greater than, less than, equal.
Greater than, sir.
Sir, 12 greater than
Greater than, sir.
12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 8 plus 3 is
Yes, sir.
11.
12.
16 and 11.
Yeah.
16 is more. So you will get
Yes, sir.
greater than symbol. Let us see the answer. Yes. Greater than.
Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait, sir. 1 minute.
Don't shout.
Sir? Sir,
Yes.
you will send the PDF?
No.
Greater than, less than 1.
Will not send. These are the simple questions, easy questions. These are not from our chapter. This you have learned in your 3rd class and 2nd class.
Third question, sir.
Don't shout.
Sir,
Third
1
question.
plus 4 is 16. 8 plus 3 is 11. 16 is more than 11. So greater than symbol has to come in the gap.
Sir, third one, sir. This is not the third one, sir.
Sir, 1 lakh is answer.
Answer.
Sir, 0. Sir, 0 is the answer, sir.
Sir, 0.
Any number multiplied by 0.
sir. Sir,
Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0.
Sir, 0, sir.
You are multiplying with 0.
sir. Sir, 0, sir.
Don't shout.
0, sir. 0, sir. Sir, 0, sir.
Answer is already
0,
there.
sir.
Don't shout. Otherwise, I have to mute all of you. $10,000 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0.
Will be 0. Sir, show me the photo. Show me the photo, sir.
నాకు సి లింక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది.
Sir, move into fourth one, sir.
ఉన్నా అనుకుంటా. ఒక్క నిమిషం చేస్తాను. Students, wait a minute. Students, wait a minute. Stop doing this nonsense.
What happened, sir?
No. 4th C also going to join the class. That's fine.
Now only fourth.
Sir, over, sir. Can you move fourth one?
Yeah, sir. Over, sir.
Over, sir.
This is only fourth one, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, fifth one.
Plus. No, sir.
Let me complete this one by one. No hurry. No hurry. As I said, no hurry. It's a new chapter, very important, lengthy chapter. So don't hurry. cool. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer here. What I have to keep here?
Greater than.
15 plus 50 is 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. This is small, this is big. This is small. Less than.
We should put less than, sir, here.
Yes. Small number, no. This is 30 only. This is 30 only.
And that's all. I should see.
40.
Okay, sir. Fifth one, sir.
Sir, 40. Sir, fifth one.
Wait, one by one.
Sir, over, sir.
No, sir.
Next question.
Sir. 500, sir.
Good, very good.
500, sir.
Yes.
500, sir. 500, sir. 500, sir. 500, sir. 500, sir.
Very good.
500, sir. 61, sir. 61, sir.
I can't see the screen, sir.
No, sir, we can see, sir.
Wait. Don't shout.
61, sir.
So I welcome 4th C students also because of technical issue. The other teacher not able to take the class. So I welcome you for this class. I welcome all the 4th C students. You might be wondering because we are in the middle of the class. Let me explain what we did today. Today we started the new chapter, the junk seller. Junk seller is the real story of a woman, Kiran, from a state Patna. A poor lady who started a junk seller shop to take care of her family. With the help of the income what she got, she lead her life successfully. In this chapter, mainly we do problems on multiplications. Small number, big number, greater than, less than. Main multiplications we do in this chapter. So before entering into the chapter directly, I would like to revise simple basic multiplications what we are doing here. So already one PPT is shared. I will share once again a PPT just like that so that the new students who joined can have a look here. See this. This is our chapter, junk seller. 4th C students, please concentrate here. This is the new chapter, junk. Junk means the things which are of no use for us, which are no value for us, and we are ready to throw it out. Those items are called junk items. Okay. See, these are the few examples: old cloths, iron material, plastic material, which is of no use for us. These are the people, these are the examples of junk seller. You might have seen people are collecting waste items, water bottles from the dustbins. Some people will buy the old newspapers and sell. Some people will buy the old items from the shop, home to home. These are the few examples of junk sellers. Junk, what do you mean by junk? Things that are considered to be old, discarded articles are of no use or no value or low quality, which of no use for us. These are called junk items. No need to write. This is there on the test. Who is junk seller? Junk seller means a person who buys old items and sell. Who buy and also he will sell old items or second hand items. Kawadi Wali. She is the lady Kiran from Patna, and this chapter is a true story. This is the story of this poor lady. Now, like a quiz, just to recollect few questions we are doing. This was the first question, which is there on the board also. 4 into 3 is 12, we know very well. What about 3 into 4? No need to calculate. 4 into 3, the same 3 into 4 reverse. When 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 4 also 12. That was our first question, which is there on the board also. And this is the answer, 12. Which is more, left side or right side? 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 means 16. 8 plus 3 means 11. 16 is more than 11. So symbol greater than has to come. Yes, that is a symbol greater than. Chandra Kiran, stop doing nonsense paintings. Next, what is the value of 10,000 into 0? Any number multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will be always 0. 10,000 into 0 will be always 0. Again, which is more? 15 plus 15, 10 plus 30. 15 plus 15, 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. 30 is small, 40 is more. So the result is 30 less than 40. All these questions are there on the board. So these are the 4 questions we did. So 4th C students, if you want, you can copy this. Question number 5, 100 into 5. 100
500, sir.
is 500.
500, sir.
500.
500, sir.
Next, next question. Next question.
Sir, it's equal, sir.
Who said
Sir, this
equal?
is equal.
Who said equal?
It's equal, sir.
35, sir.
Yeah. Equal is exactly correct. 10 plus 25 is 35.
Sir,
25
homework,
plus
sir.
10 is also 35. So both are equal.
కానీ మమ్మీ నీ మాటలు ఏం రికార్డ్ కాలేదు కానీ రికార్డ్ ఉంది కానీ ఏం
Sir, say from starting, sir. Sir, say from
Equal.
Mute yourself.
Sir, say from 6th one, sir, please, sir. Please, sir.
This is the sixth. This is the 6th one. 5th is over. This is the 6th one. This is the 6th one.
Sir, show me the 6th one, sir, please, sir.
That is the 6th one on the board, on the screen.
To show seventh one.
No, sir, please, sir, wait, sir.
Wait. Don't shout. Sixth one is on the screen. It is also on the board.
Wait, sir, over, sir. Only
10
one.
plus 25. 25.
How can you show seventh one? Sir, show me that.
Sir, this is seventh one, sir.
it's 11, sir. 11, sir.
Oh, sir.
11, sir. 11, sir. 11, sir. 5, 7.
5 plus 6, 11. Then 6 plus 5 also 11. Good.
This is seventh one, sir.
11, sir. 5 plus 6.
Eighth one, sir.
Wait. Don't shout. I told you not to shout.
Solution 5.
I did.
5 plus 6, 11. Then 6 plus 5. 5 plus 6. Reverse 6 plus 5. Both are same. 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5. No need to do it again. When you know one result, second result easily you can guess.
Sir, over, sir.
11 is the answer.
Sir, over, sir.
Sir.
10 plus 10. 100, sir.
100, sir.
100, sir.
100, sir.
100, sir. 100, sir.
100, sir.
100.
10 into 10.
100. 20, sir.
100.
10 into 10 is 100.
100.
Sir, 80. 80, sir. 80, sir.
80, sir.
80, sir. 80, sir, sir. 80, sir. 80, sir.
8 into 10.
80,
What is
sir.
the answer?
80. 80, sir. 80, sir. 130, sir. 130.
Wait, sir, not
130, sir. 150.
Wait. Others also let them write.
answer, sir.
150.
11th
5
one,
plus
sir.
15. 3 5 plus 15. So 0 will come because extra 0 is there.
155, sir. 150.
No, sir, 150.
150
Next one,
transfer.
sir.
150, sir.
3 5
Next
plus
one,
15.
sir.
150,
Think
sir.
yourselves.
Okay, sir, next one, sir. Sir, 11th one.
Next one, sir.
Wait, don't shout. Wait, don't shout. Let others also write. It is not that you wrote completed. No, all has to attempt. You have to wait. I will give when I want.
Writing,
Don't shout. 30 into 5. You have to go for 3 5 are 50 and 0 will automatically come.
Sir, I cannot hear you talk. Sir, mute everyone, sir. 300, sir. 300. I'm Akshit. Go.
5 into 60. 0 will be as it is.
300, sir.
You have to check 5 into 6. 5, 6, that is more important.
300, sir.
Yes, don't shout. When you got the answer, keep quiet.
300, sir. 300, sir.
300, sir. Sir, 300, sir. Sir, 300, sir. Sir, we can go to 11th one.
Yeah. No, sir. 12th one. This is 12th one.
The time is over.
Wait, don't shout.
Wait, don't shout.
I'm going to mute all of you. I'm going to mute all of you. Okay. In spite of my warnings, you are keep on shouting. Go for next question, next question. Why? I know when I had to give the answer, when I had to go for next question. Now you all are in mute stage. I told you many times, if you make nonsense, I will mute all of you. Now you can't talk anything. Keep quiet. You won't listen. Why you shout? Huh? It is not a competition. Class is going on. It will go on its own slow. It is not a competition. If you have done, keep quiet. Eight into 100. If you know the answer, write in the chat box. You have no right to shout in my class. Go to chat box, give the answer. That's all. You lost your right. You are shouting, so you are in mute state. 8 into 100 means 100 8 times. So it will become 800. Forty-five into 63. Not so easy. Forty-five into 63. These type of multiplications more we are going to get in this chapter. As I said in the beginning, multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Multiplication of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. More multiplications we are going to get. 45 into 63. You have any idea how to multiply two numbers? If not, I will tell you. When 45, 63 is there, first we multiply with 3. 3 5 are 15. 1 will be here. 3 4 ja 12. 12 and 1.
2412.
135. Then we leave this. We leave this. With the 6 we will multiply.
35, sir.
Don't shout. I said don't give answer. Keep quiet. I am not asking the answer. I am doing, listen. Next multiply with 6. 6 5 are
2835, sir.
2835, sir.
I told you not to shout, not to give the answer. Still some idiots are shouting in the class. I told you not to give the answer. Why you are giving the answer? I told you not to shout. Still you are doing that. Now you are in mute now. I will ask, then only you have to talk in the class. You are not the only one in the class. 50 students are there in my class. You have no right to disturb my class. You have to give the answer only when I ask. When I have not asked, keep quiet. Otherwise, you will be mute. Entire my class. I have not asked the answer. Why you are giving the answer? When these two numbers are multiplied by 3, then these two numbers are multiplied by 6. 6 5 is 30. 30 unit place will be here. 10th place will be kept outside. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. This is called the traditional multiplication. This is how we multiply two numbers with two numbers. 2-digit number into 2-digit number. This you have to learn compulsory. If you have not learned now, till now, please learn. Because these type of questions we are going to do in entire chapter. Now add 3, 8, 2, 8, 3, 5. 2, 8, 3, 5 is the answer. Let me check. Yes, 2, 8, 3, 5 is the answer. 2-digit number into 2-digit number. If you want for practice purpose, you can try some other numbers. Any two numbers. You write on your own and practice. This is how you will learn multiplications. This 81 into 4. 81 into 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 8 is 32. So 324 is the answer. 81 into 4. After the class, I will share the worksheet. 30 into 20. Two zeros will be 2 zeros. 3 2 is 6. After, so I'm going to, time is up. I'm going to close the class today. After the class, I will share the worksheet which contains these type of questions. Whatever is taught today, similar to that will be there. Do it carefully, and worksheet contains one fantastic quiz also at the end. Please do it. Let me take the attendance. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, you can talk.
Sir, 600, sir.
Yeah, correct.
600,
Send the answers also, sir. Sir, send the answers also, sir.
Okay. I will send.
You send first one. You send first PDF. No, we should write that also.
Which one you have to write?
You send first PDF. No, sir.
Whatever is
You
taught
share,
today,
sir.
listen, whatever is taught today in the class, that I am not going to share. Similar type of questions on worksheet I will share. Do the worksheet as a homework and send to me. I want to check. Okay? You have to send before the.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, time is